Thermador Dishwasher Model DWHD650WPR Troubleshooting. Stay on top of kitchen cleanup with this Thermador dishwasher. Its Sense a wash technology and 3-stage filtration system maximize cleaning results, and the multi-level adjustable upper rack offers versatile configuration options to make room for wine glasses. This Thermador dishwasher has a 48 dBA sound level for quiet operation. Troubleshooting. No power. Motor won't start. First, check the house breaker or fuse. Next, make sure that the dishwasher is plugged into the correct wall socket. The door is interlocked so that no fill or wash can occur while it's open. Check that the door locking lever is fully closed. This will close the door switch. Also check that the door switch is not defective. Is the motor buzzing? If so, the motor is locked up. It may be that something is jamming the pump. It may also be that the pump or motor bearings are bad, or the motor windings are fried. Noisy operation. Usually it is caused by bits of broken glass or rust getting into the pump impeller or spray arms. It is also frequently caused by worn-out bearings in the pump or electric motor. Wasted pump bearings are a notably common problem in Maytag belt-driven machines. Try removing the spray arms and clearing them of debris. This can be difficult, and it may be easier to replace them. Take the pump housing apart and try turning the pump and motor shafts by hand. It should be smooth, without too much resistance. Any gritty feeling indicates bad bearings or stuff contacting the pump impeller. Tub fills, but no wash or no drain, motor not running. If you hear the motor trying to start, something is locking it up. It may be jammed with bits of food or glass. It may also be that a starting winding is burnt out. If the machine is direct reversing and it does start in one direction but not the other, then a starting winding is definitely burnt. Disassemble or remove the pump and motor unit. Clear whatever is jamming it. If you suspect that the motor is bad. If you don't even hear the motor trying to start, the timer contacts may be burnt out. There is also a motor starting relay. If this fails, it will cause similar symptoms. No fill. This is usually a defective water valve solenoid or clogged water valve. Try cleaning out the strainer screen. Also test the solenoid for continuity. Replace the valve if defective. When replacing the fill valve, use an OEM part, or at least make sure the flow control washer is the same as in the original machine. Aftermarket parts may have a different flow control washer, which can cause high or low water fill in your machine. It could also be caused by the anti-flood float switch being stuck or defective. Rarely, but possibly, it can be traced to a burned contact inside the timer. Water leaking onto floor. If water is coming out the front of the machine, it's usually leaky door seals, but there are a few other suspects. The wrong soap can cause suds, which can leak out even if the seals are good. There are also some designs which can develop a water jet that blows water past the door seal. Check for these problems first. If you still suspect the door seal, try cleaning any accumulated detergent or other gunk from it. If water is coming from beneath the machine, it is usually coming from pump seals, but it could also be coming from a hose or from the fill or drain solenoid valve. Remove the kickplate and operate the machine while looking beneath it. Try to isolate the leak by watching where the water drips on the floor. Remember that there are live wires under there. Don't stick your hands in there while the machine is plugged in.